Good morning, children. Today we will do exercise 11.6. What problems based on money? Now move to the first question. Mannat purchased a bat for rupees 94 and 50 paise and a ball for rupees 25 and 50 paise from a toy shop. How much money did he spend? So you have to find the total money. Cost of a bat is rupees this much. Cost of a ball is rupees this much. So you have to find here total money. So in order to find the total money, we will do addition. So let's do it this sum in your copy. Here we are writing cost of a bat, rupees 94 and 50 paise. Cost of a ball, rupees 25 and 50 paise. Therefore, total money spent. So you will add these two amount. So you will add here. Now show here addition, children. We are getting here rupees 120 and 00 paise. So you write here the final answer, rupees 120 and 00 paise. This is your total money spent. Now moving to next question. I bought a birthday gift for my friend for rupees 35. I gave rupees 100 to the shopkeeper. How much money will he return? So when I purchased the gift cost was rupees 35 only, but I have paid to the shopkeeper a note of rupees 100. So how much money he will return? So what will we do? Yes, we will do the subtraction here. So we will subtract this 100 rupees from this 35 rupees. Okay, and we will find that money we will get. We write the statement, cost of a birthday gift, that is rupees 35. Amount given to the shopkeeper is rupees 100. Therefore, amount she will get back. So what will we do? We will subtract this rupees 100 and rupees 35. Because you need to pay only 35, but we have given rupees 100. So how much money we will get back? So we will subtract these two. So write here rupees 100 minus rupees 35. Now do the subtraction here, children. Make here two columns, rupees and paise. Show here subtraction, 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 not possible. So you will borrow this from this 0. This 0 will borrow from this 1. 1 becomes 0. This 0 becomes 10. Now again this 0 will borrow from this 10. No. It becomes 9 and 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 is your 5. 9 minus 3 is your 6. And 0 will be 0. So we are getting 65 rupees and 00 paise. So this amount we will get back. Okay, rupees 65 and 00 paise. You may write only 65 also. Moving to question number 4. Mummy sent Radha for shopping. She bought bread for rupees 20 and 50 paise, eggs for rupees 96 and biscuits for rupees 13. How much money did she spend in all? So she is paying the money for bread, now for eggs and for biscuits. So you have to find the total money spent. So to find total money, what will you do? Yes, you will do plus. So let's do it, children. You write here, cost of bread is rupees 20 and 50 paise. Cost of eggs, rupees 96. Cost of biscuits, rupees 13. So total money spent. You will add these three amounts, cost of bread, cost of eggs and cost of biscuits. So these three you will do add. Okay, you will add these three amounts. So we are adding here, you may see 20.50, 96.00 and 13.00. So finally we are getting rupees 129 and 50 paise. So this you write here children in the final answer. Rupees 129 and 50 paise. She has spent all. Okay. So this addition also you will show here. Our next question is, how much is rupees 49 and 50 paise more than rupees 24 and 60 paise? So here between these two amounts we have to compare that this amount is more, no? So this is more by how much? So we have to find the difference. So we will do here subtraction. We will subtract these two amounts and then we will get the difference between these two amounts. So let's do this question children. Write in your copy. Difference equals to, write both amounts. Write the bigger amount first and a smaller amount to the next. Now write this number rupees 49 and 50 paise first and rupees 24 and 60 paise next. Now subtract here. 0 minus 0 is your 0. 5 minus 6 not possible. Borrow from this 9 becomes 8. Here 15 minus 6 is your 9. 8 minus 4 is your 4. 4 minus 2 is your 2. So our final answer is rupees 24 and 90 paise. Am I clear? So write this final answer here children. Rupees 24 and 90 paise. So rupees 49 and 50 paise is more than rupees 24 and 60 paise by this much amount, rupees 24 and 90 paise. So whenever we need to compare two amounts, we do the subtraction. I think it is clear. So children, today this much only. In the next video, we will do more sums and we will complete this exercise. Complete your copy work. Do it properly. Thank you. Have a nice day.